Bangkok might have been voted the world's best destination for street food for the second year, but now the Thailand capital might completely disappear from the list. The capital's administration announced that all of the city's food vendors will be swept from the streets. This in an effort by the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration to improve cleanliness and safety in the city. Street vendors in all 50 districts, with famous locations such as Chinatown, Yaowarat, and Khao San Road, will be removed from the sidewalks by the end of the year. The chief advisor to Bangkok's governor said that the street vendors have seized the pavement space for too long, and we already provide them with space to sell food and other products legally in the market.